Tibet. For centuries, one of the mightiest powers in Asia. A unique civilization protected from the prying eyes of the world. An unknown and uncharted paradise in the Himalayas, and the source of so many of Asia's greatest rivers, including the Brahmaputra, the Indus, the Yangtze, and the Mekong. A country rich in natural resources and mineral deposits. Destiny, it seemed, had ordained that Tibet remain one of Asia's great powers. In 1949, when the 14th Dalai Lama was still a boy, our homeland was invaded by the People's Liberation Army of China. Only 14 years old, His Holiness was called upon to assume full political power, and he became the head of the Tibetan state. For nearly a decade, he and his government attempted to arrive at a peaceful settlement with the People's Republic of China. But things came to a head in 1959 with the brutal suppression of the Tibetan people's revolt against invading PLA troops. His life in danger, His Holiness was forced to escape into exile in India. Facing great dangers, several hundreds of Tibetans began to make the journey to India to join their leader in exile. Risking life, leaving behind everything they had known, their possessions, and often even families, they arrived in a new country. Tibetan settlements were set up in small pockets across India. The Dharamshala in the hills of Himachal Pradesh became the seat of His Holiness and the Central Tibetan Administration, and assumes immense significance, representing Tibet and her civilization to the world. India has been the greatest amongst our supporters, allowing us residence without insisting that we opt for an Indian citizenship. Thanks to the government and people of India, we have successfully created a functional democratic institution and hierarchical administrative units at par with any other nation-state. We run 65 schools exclusively for our children across 45 Tibetan settlements. Each settlement is also equipped with primary health facilities. We have over 200 monasteries and religious institutions to preserve our religious practices and our ancient traditions. Where we have thus far struggled is in aiding and sustaining all these entities. Until now, we have managed with the help of donors and friendly countries, but that may not remain so as several critical elements are changing rapidly and against our endeavors. The lack of employment opportunity and productive assets makes our long-term sustenance challenging by defeating the very purpose of being in exile. The lack of legal entitlement to land or capital assets makes it difficult for the mainstream government and financial institutions such as banks to provide us with financial services, let alone credit and loans. Historically and culturally, we have been merchants and traders. We are born entrepreneurs and skilled artisans. But in exile, we've been unable to boost our knowledge and skills sufficiently due to the recurring challenge with production, including capital. This has weakened our socio-economic growth significantly and has resulted in a further fragmentation of our diaspora. Exile has been an indefinite and a most uncertain phase for our people. In India alone, we are over 70,000 strong, with 2 generations now born in exile who have never seen their homeland. What was once imagined will be a temporary settlement has become our place of residence, one that we can say is comfortable, but not quite home. The desire for an improved quality of life and opportunities has led to another wave of displacement, this time to the west. A further 65,000 Tibetans live in North America and Europe, forming a sizable and significant Tibetan diaspora. A long sojourn in exile has shown us that it is time we take charge of our own future. We can no longer expect to sustain solely on the goodwill of other countries or communities. The urgent need of the hour is for exiled Tibetans to become self-reliant by creating strategic institutions that promote financial literacy, financial products, and services. In doing so, we will strengthen our foundation in order to create more economic assets, more opportunities and jobs for our youth, and enable a better social acceptance of the Tibetan people on a global scale. TibFin is the first for-profit Tibetan enterprise created in exile. The flagship brand of Gangjong Development Finance Private Limited, TibFin has been conceived as a single body, and its vision is to leverage Tibetan culture and the spirit of entrepreneurship to promote financial inclusion for all and build a resilient and prosperous Tibetan community. TibFin's mission also aims to promote access to financial services through affordable capital and increased financial literacy. Already, TibFin has the NBFC or the non-banking financial company license from the Reserve Bank of India. This is the first step towards our goal to become a full-service bank.
ngabju chanang gi shide kharasna beg zaduen di ted puk a kharchagres dilaba chashtin gores yejerwa tanga zenjo la mimambuju yebata zenjo digzu yo ngoyerwa ta dinala aniko hanga susu ge te puk la babe chashtin gores bnashi benjo legung thone da benjo shapshu khangs cheche da zuya dirwa ale minglang zo da khangjong benjo shapshu khangs ta sha yore da digi ani benjo da debe thone mu da debe thone memang tuben soba ani shapji khari shuya yore cheche da chashi dil tenche ani zu khangjong benjo shapshu khang zu sha usre shuya lao.
TibFin grew from the Tibetan Refugee Livelihood Support Program or TRLSP, created to mobilize resources to empower the community.
Dida pemazi sel gebeke tanda shung digi pesha ya dida pemazi inde ya bore pemazi unjo sume ma cha zong ge alu puri zong ge mo zong ge tanda benjo legung di tanda shung di inshu ya thak ji ja shu mang thak ji jang chol ra yo ma bidding dang mingo dang bang ban tanda ji ka de bidding wala da kheja da de chun yo ma de tanda di yo na ra yo ma tanda di shung di ge da unjo sum pemazi ya bo tin chembo adil ngazul pe mazi phen tokbo one tangazul lamno to chenyela tanda tanda shungde one tension bore pe mazi yabudo oda didal pe baz kadin che shuere tanda shungde one yabudo.
TRLSP succeeded by enabling an increase in income by 41% among sweater sellers. Between 2017 and 2019, 3,864 Tibetan small businesses were supported with loans amounting to rupees 40 crores, which is about $5.3 million. TRLSP also ran campaigns to improve the financial literacy and management capacity of the traders. While TRLSP enabled an improved financial status among our small business owners, significantly it showed us the way forward and to step out of the shadow of charity, donations, and subsidies.
Leda Kangjong Benjo Shapshu Kang di Tande Chala, Ga na Tim di Tumba, and Ga Gingugan Chimbo, Reserve Bank of India ne, Gadu Rasha Vegi, the Benjo Shapshu Kang Cha de Vora. This one's a Tim the Tumba in the Okala, Puk Dambushida Cha de Yuri. The Di Guche, that Chizo Nangla, Dangazu Chigel Penge Payore. 다 야베 독숨의 중에 믹스에 야갈 중에 쏠라 다 소소 초하게 체도 마음 발라 아니 응즈기 부야리시 쯧베 아니 베주드 데빌리시 체 가즈 베토베 이네야 펜도치무시다 용그레 섬도 다 베주 야게 싱와이나 지조템보 용그레 지조템보 용와이나 수수부굴라 셰연 토니베 이네야 로송타의 용그레 간지 테니베 이네야 펜도치무 용기 여벌 때네 단대차라 강중 and Benju Shapshu County Yag Tim Tumba Gadu Yubegi Dixu Chai Dundi and Ketchimbure Chishuela.
The vision for TibFin is to be a regulated financial institution which is legally compliant and can accommodate large capital on an ongoing basis for a range of financial products.
That Jidan Toma Kanjo Benju Shapshu Kangi Leshidi Kasha Di Kapso, Gosu Kasha Kato Shubata, Nyamdo, Kagato Tumba Tamla, Lishu Gotsubure, Gotsune, and you don't chip doing Chinda Chukjig Nalola, Sobangos, Tege Chisabi Jella, Sobe Mazas Kuata. Mazadi, Kasha Ki Lamdun, Tunju Gi Wone, and Nazo and the England Kuzab Tunga, Taiwan Kuzab Tunga, Taganashingi, Nihon Kuzab Tunga, Sungi, Maza Amadi, Yagumo Chevani Hats, Kuzuki Zuda Samala, Shunangi Lishi Kitchen Chadi, Kasha Gabden, Indian Sochi, Taganashi, Lishingus, Joshin Kapsu, and then 낭시 리군 균에 산내 공제 참에 튕균 나에 수종 기도 튕균 나에 근데 직접 망부치기다 소소소 속바 준주인데 조직이 되기 소배균이 찔러지기 개인케부터 리시 야고 차에 도되기
TIBFIN currently offers commercial loans aimed at small and medium businesses that require a maximum loan size of rupees 50 lakh or 5 million rupees. Livelihood loans previously dispersed under SARD or the Social and Resource Development Fund supported micro-entrepreneurs like the winter sweater seller, trinket seller, summer seasonal trader, caravan operator, and taxi operator. TIBFIN's commercial loan products are for business owners seeking to expand their business at regional and national levels. Our product portfolio will include personal and professional loans, and our current portfolio of financial products will continuously expand to accommodate the needs of our growing client base. We expect to add payment bank, money markets, and currency exchange units.
아니 다당아주 디 총대가라 베메기 냠슈 칸데지얼라나 다치 카두시나니 게무셴가 저래다 이네 안주기 칼라워레 보멜라이디 다가시 멤버지 운영고라 잠리나라 티게 운에 개와 포냠이 포모다냠이 라이저로 디 운에 야지 된것도 성부 칼라나 총게도 좀 슉체제 총안나 다가도 좀 보멜랑지 된되고 마도기 안주 교가 빼니니 야자 마소나 보멜데 야자 갸나네 야자 딘주 보멜랑게나 야자 숨지도 개와 포소소란 되고 레스라디 슈에로 칼랑디 안직 로단지레 안주 보멜데 망아로제레 안주 밀라이네 보멜체데 좀 보멜데 망아시 채고다 아니 디인데 좀 단다 보멜기 냠추도 슉체지요 레스 아니 개와 포기 아다 부기 레가디 망체지다 낭기 바웰라나레 낭기 풀라나레 빙야부 조조라나레 창매기 냠추 레가디 가라나 잘라 되체 안다 나지게 총가 슉체기 다 슉레 레가디 슉체지다 아니 낭고체 레가디 슉체지다 개오 포기 소소랑 소소 지게나레 빙야부 지게나레 낭기 바웨 지게 딘데로 지도디고레 니 강이 시슈데 잘라 되다 야마지 야마 양생한테 로봉에다 딘데지니 좀 봐라니 등사 치수다 간저 단다 개오 포만지다 가지고 올라난다 지기 범위에 총가 나오로 되제 부드 상황 치료란다 직잘라 자르부로 쇠 딘데 직 돌아 있게든서 지게 치료를 더 먹어지 소소한 거 쇠도에게 직 답시시는 알아서 먼저 쇠도고 그래서 디슈에 딘데로 지레 숙제시다.
To strengthen TIBFIN towards achieving our goal to become a full-fledged bank that can handle all the banking needs of our community, we have invited investments from our own people. Besides enabling a greater self-sufficiency of our community in exile, TIBFIN presents a tremendous investment opportunity for wealth creation within a surging Indian economy. As further validation, the Dalberg Global Development Advisors have found that both regulatory climate and market are conducive to establishment of a Tibetan financial institution in India.
다디 폐계 로고야기 준선 주부디 단다 콘도 공시용 수문내시 가샤 기 시주다 다간르신 가등가 주기 찬항기 레시기 토네 중샤비지레 대양 벤조 레공기 яб요다 아니 범위 교용내 яб요나를 중벌에 세슈아이.
We are seeking to attract $30 million as equity, with resources of up to $60 million in our loan book. Investments are coming from Tibetan people and Tibetan groups in the United States, Canada, France, and Switzerland. A Tibetan bank that caters to the needs of its people can begin a new chapter in our history and allow us to shape the narrative of our people in this century.
안데 베탄다 베질랑 베 같은 저거 투치체나 슈에이라 당랑지 차샤나 마르자 밀라 키고선나 라타 소소 보면나로 키고선나 디스모 자년러지 키모토로체 아니 양께가 통보체야 요거 대가로요나 정서로지 제 양장 모토로 차게도라 안데서 단다 베질랑 베셔도 베 펜토보 중앙들 갈라스나네 직서서 독라 남자레 디잘라데 거기 가가전에 불레레 먹고 하셔서 디 베셔도 켈레 딜리네서 나와드라 한데지나 되는 케야야 된데 라고 수수요
An economically robust Tibetan community will be better equipped to stay the course as we endeavor to regain our homeland. With TIBFIN, we are writing a new chapter in Tibetan history, one that begins our journey towards greater economic self-reliance. We appeal to everyone who supports this vision and dream to come forward and join us in our noble cause. Our dream is to build an economically strong, self-sufficient, and empowered Tibetan community. When you invest in TIBFIN, you invest in our future.